Hey guys, it's Wolfpup back here with another video, and I'm at my dad's house and he just got a new puppy. Her name is Peppy. I actually got to name her myself. Peppy, Peppy, Peppy. Oh, oh. So this is Peppy. Since she's a puppy, she is very playful. I actually made her a bed. It's right in there. And the gray thing you probably saw, yeah, that's a little scarf that smells like her family since she's all the way from Arkansas. And then I think you guys have met Jangles before. That's Jangles. Jangles! Jangles! This way! This way! Look! Hi, Jangles! So that's Jangles. But I don't think I've showed you guys Snake Breath yet. Snake Breath is a really sweet, really cute cat. And believe it or not, she only has 3 legs. So I'm gonna go show you Snake Breath. Hopefully she's outside. Sometimes she's in like a hiding spot because she just loves to hide. But anyway, yeah, Snake Breath!